Meaning of Harris poll.
Harris poll.
Harris poll.
Harris poll.
Harris poll. The Harris Poll is a market research firm that conducts public opinion polls on various topics such as politics, consumer products and services, healthcare, and technology. It was founded in 1963 by Lewis Harris and has since become one of the most well-known polling organizations in the world. They use a combination of online and telephone surveys to gather data from a representative sample of the population. The results of their polls are used by companies and organizations to make informed decisions and by the media to report on public opinion.